When you start losing hair, a question arises. Is there a natural solution? Yes, there is.
Hairocraft Hair Transplant Experts.
As we lose hair, we lose our confidence along with it. This can affect our self-image and self-esteem in a big way. Hairocraft seeks to impart confidence to the youngsters. Towards this end, we provide a host of solutions free of side effects for all your hair-related problems under one roof with the help of most advanced technology. People from every walk of life, including business persons, students, professionals in the age group 18 to 70 come to us for hair transplants. First of all, we analyze the donor area with the trichoscope before selecting a donor. Also, we take into account the hair density of the donor along with the quality of his hair follicles and the width of his hair shaft before selecting a donor. FUE and FUT are two different hair transplantation methods.
Here we employ follicular unit extraction, FUE method.
In which we just extract a single follicular unit from donor area and then we implant that in the balding areas.
Here we have two different methods which we use for implantation. First one is the needle method, the second one is the pen method. But the advantage of implanter pen is the damage to the grafts is less, so it gives a better result and the survival of the grafts is more.
Not at all. Transplant is not painful as it is a local anesthesia procedure.
For administration of safe anesthesia, first we give test dose to see whether patient is allergic to the anesthesia or not. Once we find out that he is not allergic, we go ahead with administration of local anesthesia.
Our donor area is the back portion of the scalp, where the hair is unaffected by hormonal activity. The transplanted hair will have the quality of this hair graft. Also, we do examine the scalp for infections before we proceed further towards the transplantation process. How do we protect the transplanted hair? What are the medications for the scalp?
Few precautions you have to take after surgery, like you should avoid heavy exercises, basically gymming, swimming and using of helmet. After that you should use spray which contains NS at least 8 to 10 times daily on the implanted area.
Initially, we provide medication for the swelling in the scalp and antibiotics for the first 5 days. After 10 days, additional medication for hair growth will be prescribed.
Hair fall is a natural phenomenon in our body. So is there any chance that this newly implanted hair will fall?
No, the transplanted hair won't fall as that hair is grafted from an area in the scalp called the occipital area, which is resistant to hormonal activity. Therefore, nothing will happen to that hair even if we plant in another area of the scalp.
Generally, hair grows in the same way how natural hair grows in different cycles. What happens after the hair transplant? Initially the hair grows for around 30 to 40 days. That is called the initial growth phase. Around 4th month, you can see the new hair growing. Initially, the density will be very less and the new implanted hair will be thin, just like a newborn baby. The complete density you can expect at around 6 to 8 months. In some individual it takes more times, it's around 10 to 12 months.
We ask our patients to take only 3 days of rest. Afterwards, they can return to their regular daily routines.
As hair transplantation is a minor surgical procedure, you will not have any complications, including any sort of fatigue, pains or bleeding during or after the procedure.
After the procedure, how long should we wait to wash the hair? The scalp will have a few blood clots after the procedure. They can get infected if you bath right after the surgery. Therefore, you will have to wait till we remove the clothes from the scalp. Is it possible to transform grey hair back into dark through hair transplant?
It's not possible. The hair graft we use to do the implantation carries hair shafts and tissues. Also, this graft will have no progenerator cells inside. By the time we harvest these cells, they would have absorbed the maximum amount of melanin pigment they could get. When we transplant these cells again in the scalp, they will generate new hair according to the melanin content they have. Therefore, they will generate grey hair only. In PRP treatment, we take 10 to 15 ml of blood from the individual who is undergoing the treatment. Afterwards, we put it in a centrifuge to separate the platelets and then inject onto the scalp in small quantities. PRP contains hair growth factors in abundance. When PRP is activated, it will secrete these nutrients which will go into the root of hair strands and stimulate them to grow fast.
Praveen, why did you choose Hairocraft?
I was on the lookout for a place to do hair transplantation, and finally, I have found this place and providing me with confidence, and the cost was also very reasonable. I could feel it as my hair lost density and my hairline receded. Also, the hair used to stick together as I used to sweat a lot. Mine was a 2-day session. They performed hair graft in both front and rear of my scalp. After the procedure, I went home and everything became normal. The service was excellent and I felt very good for choosing Hairocraft after considering a lot of other clinics. After the procedure, I abided by all the instructions and the results were awesome.
I was really bald till I came to Hairocraft 6 months ago. But as you can see now, hair on my head has begun to grow back. I came here after considering a lot of other remedies, including country medicines and essential oils, but without any results. The methodology here is very scientific. They take hair from the back of your scalp and graft it in the front. My family is very happy with the outcome, and my daughter says she's got a younger daddy. Currently, I'm undergoing the second stage of the procedure, which has been going on for 2 days. As you can see here, I'm very cool lying here, as the procedure is absolutely painless. Look at the operation theatre. Everything is very clean and tidy. The nurses and the staff are very supportive and making you comfortable here, and the doctors explain everything to you while you are undergoing the surgery. I was kind of scared before the process, but now I'm very comfortable. It's been 6 months since I have undergone hair transplant surgery. I can feel good improvement now. My friends and my family, everybody appreciates my new hair. I inquired about hair transplant in many clinics and finally found this place. The doctor advised me to undergo the procedure, and I feel very good for having found this place. I strongly recommend Hairocraft to everybody with baldness. I promise here you will get the best treatment.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. I name Muslim. I am a dentist from Saudi Arabia. Here Hairocraft transplant. I am happy with the quality and service I receive from doctor and staff. Thank you all the staff here.
I'm really comfortable after the surgery. Price-wise also, it's a very reasonable place. See, my hair has grown this much in 6 months. It's very natural growth and I'm really happy about the improvement. I recommend this place, Hairocraft, to everybody who is suffering from hair loss and baldness.
Along with hair, you can get transplants for eyebrows, beard and mustache also here at Hairocraft. Due to bad hair quality, it may not be possible for everybody to get a hair transplant. We have an expert service for such people called SensiCraft Hair Fixing. So you have seen me as SI Nina, but now I have transformed back to old Shabna. It's a new thing from Hairocraft called hair extension. Here I have just got it done here. It's very well done. I really liked it. It's very easy also. As you know, when we go for a boy cut or patches, it can be quite uncomfortable for some time, but hair extension is a different experience. It's the new thing, real thing. Hair extension from Hairocraft.
Hair transplant, beard and mustache transplant, Sensi graft hair fixing, hair extension, PRP treatment, scalp micropigmentation, dandruff treatment, hair transplant, hair extension, PRP treatment, eyebrow microblading, eyebrow transplant, ladies' wigs.
Hairocraft certifications: ISO 9001 2015, ISO 10002 2018 for quality management and customer satisfaction.
Hairocraft, confidence to the youth.
Hairocraft hair transplant experts. Call 9143434300 98957 06794 Kochi, Thiruvananthapuram, Thrissur, Kozhikode, Manjeri, Kannur, Bangalore, Coimbatore, UAE, Kottayam.